The Art of Solitude. In the heart of a bustling city, where the cacophony of life often drowned out the whispers of the soul, lived a woman named Clara. Employed as a graphic designer, her days were punctuated by deadlines and client demands. Yet amidst the chaos, she found solace in her most cherished hobby, painting. Every Saturday morning, Clara transformed her tiny apartment into a sanctuary of colors. The walls, adorned with her vibrant canvases, bore witness to her journey of self-discovery. Armed with brushes and an array of paints, she would lose herself in the strokes, each hue reflecting her innermost thoughts and feelings. While others found joy in social gatherings or competitive sports, Clara reveled in the quietude of solitude. Her favorite subject was the city itself, its towering skyscrapers and hidden alleyways, the play of light on brick, and the fleeting moments of life captured in a single frame. As she painted, the world outside faded, leaving only the rhythm of her heart and the soft whisper of her creativity. One fateful Saturday, she decided to showcase her work at a local art fair. Nervously, she arranged her paintings, each one a fragment of her soul. To her surprise, visitors were captivated by the emotions evoked in her art. They saw not just buildings and streets, but the stories behind them, the laughter, the heartache, the dreams. In that moment, Clara realized that her solitary hobby had forged connections with others. It was no longer just an escape, it had become a bridge, linking her heart to the world. Embracing both solitude and community, she discovered that hobbies are not merely pastimes, but pathways to understanding oneself and others.